Alright, so welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, I had a question off Facebook. How do you cut a cylinder in half? So, there's different ways to do it, but for me personally, this is my way of doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and just go to mesh right here, add a cylinder. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on its side, so we've got 90 degrees right there. Alright, so let's go with G, bring this up, S for scale. Now we want to cut this perfectly in half. So what I'm going to do to begin with, let's go to edit mode. We'll take off this front face right here. You want to select the faces just up in the corner right here. We're going to go ahead, delete this off. So we've got faces right there, and then we'll go and delete the back one right here. So we want this straight in half. Now you can do this one of two ways. You could go with one, which is side view, select absolutely everything. So the way that we could do this, go to X-ray at the top, and then we could go with the shift, hold down, and then sideways. So you've now got this selected right here, but you don't have this one in particular selected. So if you go to faces, you can go ahead and you can press shift, click this face and click this face. We can go with delete and then faces. You can also select half of what you don't need as well. So now we're left with all of these faces right here, and we've kind of got this massive gaping hole. Now for me, to make a cylinder in half, what I would do is go ahead and click the vortex at the top right here. You're going to select the outermost points right here, press F, and then you've got this nice little face that's come onto this side, and if I just take off the X-ray, you can see that we now have this half circle. So now we have to fill these two sides. So what I would suggest to you is select all of the points on the outside right here. This might take you a while. Just select absolutely everything. You're going to press F for fill, and that will fill the points. But obviously we've missed one there, so we're going to press Control Z, go back, add that point, F for fill, and now we have this nice little face at the side, and we're going to go ahead and do the same to the opposite side. So just check that you're clicking all of these points. Sometimes when you click them they don't quite highlight, so just go back over and make sure that you've got everything. We'll press F for fill, and we'll go back to object mode right there, and you can go ahead and shade this smooth if you want to. But yeah, that's generally a cylinder in half. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.